Comes my assistant. He's known as Green Bean.
What?
He's known as the Green Bean. Put that right in the on the dashboard, sir.
Right here?
On the inside, yeah, you got it. How's it going? My wife dared me. No, she didn't really. My daughter did. And actually, this guy encouraged me.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, do not touch. Do not touch.
Oh, geez.
Wait, should we put it right here?
Nah.
We can't disrupt this natural beauty.
That's true. Well, I'll tell you what, though. I've enjoyed my moment of fame. It's time to go.
Really?
Yeah, I gotta go. Everybody left. The Golden Nugget has lived a dream. It's one on my bucket list.
Really?
The golden nugget.
What do you think there, Jacques?
Hi.
Did you say it's an amazing car? I understand. Here, this will be on YouTube, so please, let's be good. What do you think?
Pretty nice. I saw that in school a couple times.
Yeah, well, of course. Everybody wants to look at this guy. It's just funny to watch people's reactions. It's like a spoof of late night TV or something. This will be on Saturday Night Live. I got the do not touch sign on the windshield. You notice that?
What if I touch it?
Well, what if is a big.
Like, what will happen?
The keys are in there too. Little Grand Theft Auto, huh? It's not like we're taping. Of course. This is.
Nobody can steal the golden nugget.
That's true.
What if I just like hop in? The keys are, what if you locked it from inside?
What's the matter with your walk, bro?
What?
Why are you walking like that?
Because I can't crease these.
You can't crease them.
Well, no.
All right, we're going to continue
I was
drawing
playing
a
football
few
today.
numbers here.
And I jumped up for a ball.
Look
All
at
right,
a fan.
let's see what we
I
have.
jumped up.
It
I jumped up
is
for a ball and I tipped it.
all
And it
right,
came down my hip.
609.
Grass.
On your hip.
609.
It's like bruising. It hurt.
609. I got five.
Next
I
one
got
is
499.
611.
Did you win anything?
I've got a few numbers up.
I wouldn't even claim it if I did.
611.
Can I claim it?
You could have the ticket.
Alright. But what if I win something?
Are you taking the professional pictures, Brian?
No, Bob is.
Well, I don't mind you taking a picture of me with the Golden Nugget. I've entered it.
606. 606. The next one is
Fans everywhere.
545.
All right. We've had our fun.
So we just called
Time to go.